Do you try and try again to learn Blender but fail? Do you waste hours and hours without making progress? Maybe you want to run and become a pro before you even start? The solution is simple. Start with the basics. But what I do? Follow video in the full. Try watching some of my other videos. Trust me. By starting with the basics, everything will be easier. Before we start, I want to remind you to comment if something you didn't understand and if you want specific tutorials. If you like, please follow me and leave a like. Enjoy! Let's start with the tutorial. At the top right you can see the outliner. Here are all the objects, including the camera and lights, along with the meshes. By default, when starting Blender, we will always a cube, a light and a camera. You can create folders containing meshes, etc. It's for organization. Here on the left are the basics tool for modifying the cube. I created a video on this. On the right, we can see all the various sections of rendering, modifiers and textures. Write to me in the comments if you want specific videos for each one. At the top left are the various mesh editing modes. For example, I will now show you sculpting. The video is finished. If you have any special requests, please ask me in the comments.